Hi, I'm attorney Paul Moses with the Moses Law Firm. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about child support in the state of Florida. In a typical family law case, there are two times at which child support becomes important. Either before the court enters an order determining the amount of child support, or after the court has already entered an order determining the amount of child support to be paid. Here's what you need to know about child support before a judge enters an order determining the amount to be paid. Child support in the state of Florida is really nothing more than lawyers in a room doing math. You take your income and the other party's income, you go to this long table in Florida statutes, and you determine the base amount of child support, and then you know what? Like your taxes, you get some credits against it, you get some deductions against it, and you end up with a final number, and that is the amount of child support. In the beginning stages, child support is not negotiable. A good family law lawyer, a lawyer who practices nothing but family law, in fact, will tell you that in Florida, child support is what it is. So think twice before taking the advice of a friend or a colleague or another professional who tells you that child support is negotiable and that, quote, we can get you whatever number you want. Child support in Florida is not negotiable. The next aspect of child support in the state of Florida is after the judge has already entered an order determining the amount to be paid. There are two things that happens at this stage. One, you want to pay less child support, or two, you want to receive more child support. Let's take the second one first. If you'd like to receive more child support, what you need to prove before the judge is that the paying party has had a meaningful difference in their world now versus when the original order was entered. And some examples of meaningful differences would be that they have a new job and they're making more money, they have less expenses, your expenses have gone up, the needs of the child have gone up. So if you're looking to receive more child support, you need first to prove that the other party has the ability to pay it because their circumstances have changed. There's one other part to child support that is very important to know, and that is that in the state of Florida, like any other bill, you can't pay for child support with stuff. You must use money to pay child support, whether it comes from your check, or it's a money order, or it's a personal check. Whatever it might be, it has to be in the form of actual money. You can't trade child support for diapers, wipes, food, or even perhaps a car. Child support must be paid like any other bill, and that's with money.